I've made this booklet for my son in which I've traced all the letters in capitals. मेरे पास उसके लिए अल्फ़ाबेट्स भी हैं जो कि मैग्नेटिक हैं. You can do this on a magnetic board or else you can use a paper booklet for him like I did. It's better to use something which is handy to your children. So this is something which I've made for him to recognize alphabets. So when I realized that he's not able to draw the patterns which I wanted him to, and so I tried making some fun activities, and because that's what I usually do to make him things learn by fun, and I came up with such ideas, and one by one I'll show you each page in here. And what I have made a fun element onto it is that I have drawn a bus. There is a school or an office or whatever. That was just me imagining things and I did it for him. You can also draw things like this. And later on my son asked me that he will not draw anything because the bus actually does not lead to the school, so and then he gave me an idea, means I got an inspiration from his words, and what I did is this. So this is a bus which I have made for him. Once he draws all the lines, he can trace the buses and make them reach here. And when he did this thing in a satisfactory manner, I moved on to another pages like these. So make a pocket on the side of page and you can do it. Otherwise you can do a thing like I did on every page, like a bookmark. You can make things this way, and I have made again a pattern of straight lines on which the turtle has to walk through, and the turtle will go from one place to another. The threads are actually not a convenient way. Instead you can use something which is a little bit more thick, so that the threads don't get tangled in each other. So this is how a turtle will once he or she finishes drawing the pattern, they can actually make the turtle reach their home from here to here. And this is how they will again trace it and draw, making a record of everything which he does. And sometimes we make sceneries, and there was a day I tried making hand painting with him. We as children have always been drawing mountains, clouds, birds, tree and one house. And to my surprise, my son instead asked me to draw a train. Maybe he's very fascinated with it, and all the things are as per his choices. There has to be an airplane everywhere. कैसे सिखाया था? बनाओ बनाओ बनाओ. Very nice, very nice, very good. करो 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 और ड्रॉ करो. Nice. A thumb painting, and in which I asked him to make a bunch of grapes. Then on his wishes we usually draw such things. That's an airplane which he has colored, and that's quite unique. You can ask your child who is still not able to draw properly that what they want to see in a page.